If you've been arrested for DUI, your driver's license will be automatically suspended by the Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. You must contest the license suspension and file for a hearing with the Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles within 10 days of your arrest. If you do not file for a hearing within 10 days of the arrest, you will lose your opportunity to contest the suspension. Therefore, it is important that you contact a DUI attorney immediately after being arrested for DUI. At the DHSMV hearing, the hearing officer will review the police record of the arrest, the alcohol chemical test, and other relevant evidence to determine whether or not the license suspension should be upheld. It is important to have an attorney with you at the hearing to challenge the evidence against you and to put forward any evidence that may be in your favor. In certain circumstances, evidence against you can be thrown out at the hearing with the help of an experienced DUI attorney. For instance, evidence may be excluded from the hearing if the initial stop was unconstitutional or the chemical blood alcohol test were not administered properly. Furthermore, an attorney can present evidence in your favor and cross-examine witnesses to persuade the hearing officer against upholding the suspension. It is important to note that the DHSMV hearing does not determine if the driver will face criminal penalties for DUI. The hearing only determines whether or not the driver will retain driving privileges. If the driver is successful at getting the license reinstated at the DHSMV hearing, the driver may still lose their driving privileges if later found guilty in the criminal DUI hearing. Therefore, it is important to have competent legal representation during both your DHSMV and criminal DUI hearing. The DUI attorneys with Florida Law Advisors have years of experience representing clients in both DHSMV hearings and criminal DUI trials. A DUI attorney at our firm can request a hearing on your behalf, help you get a temporary hardship license while your hearing with the DHSMV is pending, and represent you throughout the DHSMV and criminal DUI hearing process. The outcome of your DHSMV and criminal DUI trial may greatly affect your finances and future. We urge you to contact our firm as quickly as possible after the arrest so that we can immediately initiate the necessary defense actions on your behalf and help get the charges against you dropped.